Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, and I have the first reaction of the unboxing of the gift you guys saw me make. Now you saw me make it, now come see the reaction. Oh yeah.
So hello everyone. So I am doing an unboxing video. My auntie Shella, she sent me my package. She previously made my first starter a really pretty jewelry box for my baby shower, and my daughter, she just loves it. And so for my second daughter, I asked her if she could do something like that for her. And she jumps right on it without hesitation. And so here it is. I haven't seen it. So I'm about to open it up. So excited. She taped this thing down, y'all. My aunt is so good at creating things and making stuff. She's so good with that. And I just knew I had to have something like this for my second daughter, because my first daughter, she just loves hers. So pretty. Okay, now, it's a lot of tape. That's it out. Okay, I guess I can cut it across the top. Maybe I should have got some better scissors. I'll cut it. I think I got it. Oh, goodness. She used a lot of tape. All right, y'all. I think I got it open, so I'm gonna bring it over here for y'all to see. Okay, let's see. So excited. More tape. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, it's a lot of packaging on it, y'all. So, wait. Let's see. Oh my gosh, she wrapped this all up. Goodness. Oh, she knows she wrapped this up. Ooh, heck is that? Let's see. I can kind of see the purple. See some glitters. Oh my gosh. Let y'all see. Let me step out the way. Look at it. Isn't this the cutest? Oh my goodness. Look at the diamonds on it, y'all. Look at this. And it comes down like a necklace with the pendant. Isn't this the cutest? Oh my goodness. Okay, and it's got a little latch here. If I can open the latch. Can I open the latch? Let's see. Okay, here it is. Wow. Oh, she stuck the inside. Let's open it up. It's taped down. There it goes. Oh. And she got a mirror inside, y'all. Look at this. This is so pretty. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Aww. Can y'all see this? She put some mosaic pieces down here. Aww. This is nice. This is so nice. She did a really, really good job. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe these mosaic like pieces at the bottom are from my grandfather's house. I believe these are the ones that she put on my daughter's stool that she made. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe these are the same ones. So that's really nice. That's really nice that she did. She did an awesome job. Can y'all see? Bring this down for y'all to see. She did a really good job. As usual, she always does a good job. This is very, very nice. And it latches. This is very, very pretty, y'all. Very, very pretty. This is really nice. She did a really good job. Well, thank you again, Auntie Shelly, for that. This is really nice. This is really pretty. I know my daughter's gonna love it. I love it. I love the bow. I love the little necklace piece that you got on here. You made. This is really cute. And the glitter shininess. Yeah, she gonna like this. I know it. I know it. Well, thank you again. As always, love you. So this is the stool that my Auntie Sheila made for my daughter, Divine. She made it and gave it to me for my baby shower. And so there is the ultrasound picture, and there are the mosaic tiles from my grandfather's house. As you can see, all this lovely details, and her name, Divine. And look at this. And this is literally all the way around the stool. It's all the way around the stool. And you can see the stool. Here is the jewelry box that she made for my daughter. This was a baby shower gift. And let me just go ahead and open it up for you guys. This is it opened up. This is the mirror. And this is just some little knick-knack things from Divine when she was a baby. This is just like her bows where you can put the numbers on it for the months. And this was her first tiara that she took her newborn pictures in. It's in here. And so, yeah. These are the 2 items. So nice. I love them. And this is going to go on top of Divine's vanity that she's getting for Christmas. It's going to match, the pinks match perfectly. It's going to sit on top for her to put like her little big makeup and things like that in. So it's perfect for her.